we are going to solve another GFG problem. Today's problem is again on the topic of tree, and today's problem is check for balanced tree. So you have a given a tree, binary tree, find if its height is balanced or not. A tree is a height balance if it difference between the height of the left and right subtree is not more than 1. For example, for all node of the trees. So you have to check for every nodes. The left part of the subtree of this given node is equal to is not more than the one of the its uh, right part of the subtree. If it true for every nodes, then we are going to return true. Otherwise, we are going to return false in that case. Okay. So what's my approach actually? I'm I'm going to check for the every node. Let's say I'm here. I call it. I'll just find out is height of this left subtree and find out height of this right tree and subtract both of them. Subtract one of them and find out the absolute value. If this absolute value is less than the one, I have to show that it's balanced for this node. Then I have to check for every node similarly. If it's true for every node, I am going to return true. If not the case, I'll just return false. Okay. So what I actually do, so if my we know if my root equal to null, it means in that case I am going to return 1 because it's empty node, and for the empty case it's balance because it's left right is doesn't it don't matter in that case. It doesn't matter in that case. What I actually do, uh, I have calculate my height sorry left height of the tree. I'm at the position of this node, so I have to calculate this uh, left uh, height of the left subtree. So how can I do? I make my own calculate height function which going to calculate height. So HIGST height, let copy it because I'm using this again and again in some error. So root left, it's going to give me a height of the left side, as well as I'm calling my height function to the right side because I need both of them. And after getting this, what I actually do, I make a I have to calculate if my the difference of both of them, the absolute difference between both of them is if it's less than the 1, I'm pretty sure and I'm totally assured I have to return 1 in that case for this node, for given root node. Okay. But I have to for this but I have to check for every nodes. Okay. If not the case, I have to return 0 and I have to check for every given nodes. So how can I do? So let go to the depth. Let's try to search out for the depth of the nodes. So I'm just trying to go. First I'm going to depth. I'll just check out for this 5, then I am again check out for this 10, then this 39. So how can I do that? So I call my is balance function here and call it my is balance. Hey is balance. Hey is balance. Do my one job. Check out if my left. What I do is I call it if left balance is giving me false. If it's giving me false, sorry, if it giving me false in that case, so I made it here false sign, it give me return true. If that thing is true, I'll just return it 0 because this not possible to make, because it falls for my any of the case. If it falls for the any of the case, I'll just return false for the all the cases, because it's necessary. So I'll just do again for the right thing too. If right is also like this, I have to return false. And yeah, that's pretty sure. Let's make our calculate function. So I copy this and make my calculate function is a int type, because it going to give me a height of the tree. So calculate height giving me what? It's take the parameter root, and in this root, if root equal to null, it means I have to return 0, because there is empty root. After that, what I do, I have to return my cal. So let's make for int lh. I'll How can I do that? I'll just I just go for my height, left height, and I have to say root left. Not doing here. And int rh, calculate height, root right, and I have to return max of lhrh, and I have to add my 1 here, 1 also, because this one is the root, and I'm going to call my left and right. This is pretty I made a video on this how to calculate height function. If you have any doubt, you can check out this video. I will going to attach in my description box, so you can go and check out if you have any doubt in the finding the height. So let's compile and run. Okay, it give me error, compilation error. Why? Because root left, root right, and root left, root right, root left, root right is balance. So why it give me a wrong answer? Oh yeah, I got it. This function is, I'll just make some mistake here, is balanced. So let's submit our code, guys. And it's accepted. Okay, if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. I resolve your doubts as soon as possible. And until then, keep grinding.